Hello, everybody. Weather class at summer camp has come to Twinsburg today. We're at, what school are we at? Goddard, Twinsburg. And today we are learning all about why the sky is blue. We're going to answer the age-old question, why is the sky blue at weather class at summer camp today? Let's get started. Well, good morning, everybody. Today we are coming to you live from Goddard School from Twinsburg. And we've got a very important and very hot 8-day forecast. You don't want to miss it. See you soon, guys. Bye. Why else might you want to know the weather? Too hot, too cold? What other weather might be dangerous?
You have to watch the news so you can know if there's an actual tornado outside.
There could be a tornado. And where do we have to go if there's a tornado? Who knows? If there's a tornado, where do you go?
If there's a tornado, you go somewhere with ground so it will
Yeah. Where might you want to go?
So if you have a basement
A
in your
basement,
house,
yes.
or a closet, you might want to go in there.
A room that has no windows. Exactly. So these are all really good reasons that we want everybody at home to know the weather. Or it might not be dangerous weather or severe weather. It might just be, hey, does anybody play sports? Anybody play sports outside? Yeah? If there's rain, you're not going to play that day, right? So you got to know, is my soccer game going to get canceled? Or is it going to be really hot? Do I need to bring extra water so that I can play outside? Or are the temperatures going to be warm enough to go to the pool? That's always really important, isn't it? Yeah, we like pool. Who likes pool days? Everybody likes pool days, huh? Yes, so.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not sure.
Oh, nope, this is perfect. This is perfect. Okay, so what we're going to tell everybody at home is what's the weather this week and why does it matter to everybody at home? So today particularly, we have something called a heat advisory. Can everyone say that?
Heat advisory.
Any ideas what that means?
It means it's like too hot to go outside or something.
Yeah, not too hot to go outside, but it is going to be too hot to like play outside for 4 hours. It's going to be too hot to go outside and not drink water or not wear our sunscreen. So what it means is that our heat index, has anyone ever heard that word before?
No.
Does anybody know what it means? What do you think it means? Heat index means it's how hot it actually feels to our skin. So sometimes when we're outside, if we're in the shade, is it hotter or cooler than when we're in the sun? It's cooler, exactly. What about if there is a nice, strong wind? Is it going to feel hotter or cooler? It's going to feel cooler, exactly. So it's how hot it feels to our skin, no matter what the temperature reads on the thermometer. So the thermometer today is going to read, let's see what it's going to read. The temperature today is going to read what?
49.
Flip it. 94. But it's going to feel 100. That's pretty hot, huh? Yeah, I would agree. And then tomorrow's temperature is going to be 89, but it's going to feel like
9.
Now, when we look at this 8-day forecast, we notice a couple of things, right? These numbers are our temperatures, so we have to tell everybody what days are going to be the hottest. Also, what day might you need an umbrella? Can anybody raise your hand and tell me what day you might want to have an umbrella handy? What about you in the blue?
On
Saturday, that's a great idea. Yeah, you're going to have a 60% chance of running into rain or even a few thunderstorms. Same for Sunday and then next Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's kind of a soggy week ahead, isn't it? We got a good amount of rain coming. Because sometimes if there's rain or storms, it's not all day, right? Sometimes it could be sunny outside like it is right now, and then later on today it could storm, couldn't it? So that's why sometimes we have both in the forecast.
But
Nope, let's see. Today, any chance of storms? Nope, today we just got lots and lots of heat. Any idea what these little numbers are down at the bottom? Raise your hand. What about you?
Like in between the nights.
Yep, so it's our coldest temperature of the day, and that happens right before the sun comes up in the morning. Jen, good morning. Yes, weather class at summer camp is back in action today at
Goddard School in Twinsburg.
And of course, you heard Jen, this forecast is going to be very
hot.
so hot. I brought some fans to keep us cool. You guys go ahead and use those. Pass them around, share them with each other. Open them up. Let's see. Got it? There we go. Whew, got to keep cool somehow, right? Whether that's the splash pad or what. Now, today is going to be so hot that we have a heat alert in place. Who remembers what that heat alert is called? What's that heat alert we've got today?
Heat advisory.
Heat advisory, because our heat index temperatures are going to be in the triple digits, 100 degrees or above. All right, so as we head into the next 2 days, our heat advisory today, our heat index is going to be about 95 to 100. And then later on in the week, we have the chance of showers and storms. What would be something that you would want to carry with you to be prepared?
An umbrella.
Have that umbrella ready to go. Temperatures after today. Yell it out for me. Are they going up or down?
Down.
Exactly. It's going to take a little while to get back to normal, but by next Monday, we'll be at about 82 degrees. So we've got lots of sunshine today. This week we were saying, would you call it a dry or a soggy week ahead?
Soggy.
Soggy. We've got about 5 days on the board with the chance of rain and storms. Plenty of sunshine, though, in between. And if it's really sunny out, you guys, what's one thing you might want to have handy?
A sun hat.
A sun hat? Maybe some sun.
Water.
Some what?
Glasses.
Glasses?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Yes, all things dealing with the sun. We do have a nice day next Wednesday. What's the high temperature going to be next Wednesday? 7, exactly. Now, speaking of sunshine, we were saying that when the sun comes in, we get this bright white light. But what color is the sky?
Blue.
And raise your hand. Has anybody ever wondered why the sky is blue? Today we're going to find out. We are going to do an experiment. We're going to learn about why the sky is blue. And then when we come back to you, we're going to show you exactly why that is the case. So let's go ahead and get learning. You guys tell everybody bye. We'll see them soon.
I will see you soon.
Well, hello everybody. We again are live at the
Goddard School in Twinsburg.
And we were just looking up at the sky, which is very blue today. But the question is, why is the sky blue? We have the answer, and it's coming up with our very fun science experiment. Don't miss it. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, Jen. Good morning. Hi. All right, we today are at the Goddard School in Twinsburg with the wonderful class here at summer camp. Can everyone wave, say good morning for me?
Good morning.
All right, who remembers what we were learning about today? Raise your hand.
We were learning about the sunset and the sky.
And the sky, and why it's blue. Exactly. And so what we learn is that the sky, well, our atmosphere is full of something. Who remembers what that is? What's it full of?
Molecules.
Molecules. Very close. Yes, molecules and particles. And some of that's oxygen. Some of that can be smoke, wildfire smoke. And all of that contributes to the color of our sky and also the color of our sunsets. And so we actually have been drawing and coloring our very own sunsets. Can some of you hold them up for us? Hold up your sunsets and show everybody at home. We've got lots of colors, and we talked about the colors of the sunset. Raise your hand. Who remembers one of the colors that we see in the sunset? Right here, tell me what color.
We saw yellow.
Yellow. What other color?
Red.
Red. What's another color? What color do you have on your sunset?
Purple.
Purple, exactly. Yeah, you get to see all of these colors, but during the day, our sky is just one color. It's what?
Blue.
Blue. So the reason that it is blue is because of not only those particles in our atmosphere, but because of the sunlight. So sunlight comes into our atmosphere and it's white, and then when it hits those particles in the atmosphere, it starts to scatter the colors of the rainbow, which are colors of the rainbow.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Purple, exactly. So our experiment today is going to show the scattering of those particles. The blue particles, or the blue light, hits those particles and scatters. They travel in short waves, and they travel more intensely. And so that is why our sky, to us, looks blue. It's not physically actually blue. So the way that we're going to demonstrate that, you guys, if you want to look up here, is with a little bit of milk, a clear glass of water, and a flashlight. All things you've got at home. You guys can do this and scatter the light yourselves. So we're going to take a little bit of this milk, and what it's going to do is suspend the milk particles in our glass of water. So let's first use our flashlight and shine it through the water and see what color we get. Maybe. There we go. So, do you guys see anything? Any color?
No.
No, not really. Not unless it's your reflection, right? Let's see if I can get this to go on. Then, when we suspend the milk particles in the water, just a little bit, we want a lot more water than we do milk. So see that? All of those are suspended. And then we shine the light through there. What color do you guys see?
White.
Do you see blue?
No. Kind of.
Look underneath it there. What color do you see?
Blue.
There we go. Do you guys see it from the side?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks a little bit more blue. And that's because those particles, if you can look right next to the milky white, those particles get scattered, or the sunlight gets scattered through those particles, through those suspended milk particles in the water, and that's why it looks blue. It's the same process that happens in our sky. All right, so now that we know why the sky is blue and why it is red and orange during the evening, we're going to finish our sunsets, and we will see you guys later. Can everyone say goodbye?
Bye.